Hello and welcome to the day ahead. It is Thursday, November the 24th. I'm Andrew Gagan. Well, global equity markets have moved higher overnight on improved investor sentiment. Wall Street's main indexes lifted on the release of the minutes from the Fed's November meeting, which indicated that its pace of rate hikes may soon slow. However, trading volumes are thin ahead of the Thanksgiving holiday on Thursday and a shortened trading session on Friday. Data which showed further weakness in the US economy saw Treasury yields fall, helping to lift risk assets such as equities. Stocks specifically, Tesla shares surged following an upgrade from Citigroup on the stock from sell to neutral. Nordstrom fell as the fashion retailer cut its profit forecast amid steep discounting at its stores. And the world's largest farm equipment maker, Deere & Co, posted a 75% increase in quarterly profit that easily beat Wall Street estimates, with strong sales accelerated by price hikes for its agriculture and construction equipment, sending its shares to a record high. Well, minutes from the Federal Reserve's November meeting show interest rate hikes may slow soon. Minutes revealed that Fed policymakers, officials, were largely satisfied they could stop front-loading the rate increases and move in smaller, more deliberate steps as the economy adjusted to the higher cost of borrowing. A slower pace would better allow the FOMC to assess progress towards its goals of maximum employment and price stability, the minutes said. The uncertainty lags the magnitudes associated with the effects of monetary policy actions on economic activity and inflation are among the reasons cited. Meanwhile, the number of Americans filing new claims for unemployment benefits increased to a 3-month high last week, underscored by job losses in the tech sector. Initial claims rose to a seasonally adjusted 240,000, above economists' estimates. And US business activity contracted for a 5th straight month in November as higher interest rates curbed demand. The composite PMI output index, which tracks the manufacturing and services sectors, fell to 46.3 from 48.2 in October, with the reading below 50 indicating contraction. And in the Eurozone, the downturn in business activity eased slightly this month, although consumers are still cutting spending as the cost of living rises. In the wake of the Fed minutes, US Treasury yields have traded lower, the 10-year note down to 3.7%, the 2-year dropping to 4.48%. And the US dollar has fallen against most major currencies, with the dollar index off almost 1%. The Aussie dollar did jump. It's currently at 67.4 cents. Taking a look at the Australian share market, it is expected to follow its peers and open higher this morning. ASX futures up close to 0.1%. Global oil prices have tumbled as the G7 seeks to put a price cap on Russian exports of between $65 and $70 a barrel. Brent crude trading at $84 a barrel. And the G7, as well as the EU and Australia, are set to implement the price cap on seaborne exports on December the 5th. Iron ore, it's increased about 0.5 percentage point. Base metal prices initially slipped as rising COVID cases in China temper hopes that demand in the world's largest metals consumer will soon improve. And the gold price has extended its gains following the Fed minutes, spot gold rising 0.5%. And Bitcoin, it's holding above 16,000 US dollars. And that is your day ahead. We'll see you again tomorrow.